In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Google Chrome downloads getting stuck at 100% on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing that we need to do is once you are on your Chrome browser is we can disable the Chrome virus scan. So click on the three dots on the top right corner, scroll down and click on settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. In the list of options on the left pane, click on privacy and security. Then click on security and make sure to choose no protection. If you are like this, simply change that to no protection and click on turn off. Okay, so if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Next method, we can also clear the browser cache. So in the list of options on the left pane, click on privacy and security again. Click on delete browsing data. Now you have to make sure this four default selections are selected, and the time range you have to change this to all times, especially cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and click on delete data. The next thing that you can do is you can download the file in the incognito mode. So click on the three dots on the top right corner and select this option, new incognito window. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus the N key. So you have to open that link from here and then just simply download that in the incognito mode. And then you can also reset settings of your Google Chrome browser. So again, in the security or in the settings option of your Google Chrome, scroll down on the list of options on the left pane and you'll find reset settings. Simply click on that option and click on the reset settings option. And then that's it. You can just try to download again on your Google Chrome browser. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.